Hi everyone, this is Smriti. I'm welcoming you all to my channel QA Automation Classes. So today we're going to continue with the last concept for the entire intersection also. So that is nothing but the parallel stream. So with this topic, we'll conclude the entire playlist. So what is the parallel streams? What is the need of the parallel stream? So we say the default streams are processed sequentially. So one by one, it will process all the element as per the conditions you have specified. But now let's see when you are working with a large set of the data and when the computation happens sequentially, it is going to take a lot of time. And in order to avoid that, we can go with the parallel streams. So parallel stream uh, may execute either sequentially or in parallel. All the collection support the parallel stream method. Okay. So as we are using the stream method, similarly we are also having the parallel stream method. So we'll create an example for this and we'll actually see how the parallel streams are actually going to work. So in case of the parallel stream, the main stream is divided into the multiple substream and then those are collected or the combined together to give the result. So let's create a class parallel stream. Okay. So now let's the main method. Okay. So what is the thing we're going to do? So same thing. Let's say we have our student class. We'll go to the student class and there we're going to apply the parallel stream. Okay. So I have the student class. I can directly go ahead and create the object for the student class. Maybe here somewhere we are using, okay, new URL list of the student, okay, and somewhere I have added directly map demo 3, yeah, this is one I don't need, okay, this is the one, copy, okay. So what I'm trying to do here, uh, I have the student class and student class has the three things. One is the age and fee and is the name. So out of three fields, so we have to pass all three of them while creating the object. So I'm going to create multiple object. So here if you see, I have created a list of students, student info equals to new array list of students, I can say, and student info dot add. This is the new student information I kept on adding. Okay. So that is nothing but the student info or the student list I'm creating. So now with the help of this student info, I'm going to use the parallel stream. Okay. So let's say student info. Okay, copy this one. So student info dot parallel stream. Then again the condition is again as usual whatever you need to do. Earlier we were using stream method, now we are using the parallel stream. So let's say we'll do some filter. So filter, okay. So let's say is, okay. So this is the student lambda only. We'll say uh, student, instead of student let's say only is, okay. So is dot fee greater than 4000 greater than equals to, okay. So this is the filter I'm going to apply. So get all those list of the students whose fee is greater than 4000, okay, and then dot, let's print it here for each, okay. So here also we'll say student, uh, let's say for each student I'll say system.out.println, we can, okay, system dot out dot println, let's say print, and what we're going to print, we're going to print the student age, student fee and student name. So let's say student dot fee, okay, and okay, student dot field. Let's print this one only. Okay, so let me run this one. Okay, I have to give okay, student dot p. Okay, so plus space. Let's see. So now greater than 4,000. So 5,000, 4,000, and 9,000. These three are the result of this stream, parallel stream. So in the parallel stream, what exactly we are doing, instead of sequentially going to the each element and doing the calculation, it might be taking the chunks of it and it will doing the calculation and then it is combining and giving the result. So that's how we do in the help of the parallel stream. Okay. So, and here also there is another way we can do, we can use the stream method and then we can see the parallel. So let's see that one. Student info dot stream dot, here we have the parallel. Okay, so we can apply the parallel method and then dot, we can apply the same filter. Okay, I can apply the same thing here. Okay, so if I do this parallel filter for each student, okay, so I need to give one more. Okay, so now both will give the same result. So I can run and I can see 5. Okay, let me give a sort in between, just a simple sort, so that both will be distinguished in the separate line and it will be distinguished. So 5,000, 9,000, and 4,000. So here 9,000, 5,000, 4,000, right? This is the way it has aggregated, like it has segregated and then computed and then how it is aggregated. Okay, so both are essentially the same. So 5,000, 9,000, 4,000, 9,000, 5,000, and 4,000. If you want to show it in a proper sequence, so you can go and apply the sorting on top of it and you can show it. Okay, so yeah, with this video, we are going to conclude the complete playlist of the Java Stream API. So we have covered a lot of features of the streams, which is more than sufficient for you to excel in your career. So if you want to go through the entire playlist, it is available in my channel. Please just go through it, all the videos. So just a quick recap, we have completed the introduction to the stream, and then we completed filter, we completed map, we completed the combination of the filter and map, then we completed the what is the terminal and non-terminal methods, and then we completed different methods like mean, max, distinct, limit, count, right, and sorted, and how to convert the stream into the object array, how to concat multiple streams, and then how to use the parallel streams. So we completed everything. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like my work, so I would request you to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and the colleagues, and we'll soon meet with a new topic. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.